Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a DIY aquarium top filter using recycled materials. Easy to make and very effective. I did not buy a filter box, so this help saves money. Let's get started. For this DIY top filter, I use an ice cream tub or any recycled container, aquarium water pump, hose, sponge filter, lava rocks or stones, scissors, soldering iron or heated tool to make holes. Step 1. Prepare the container. First, take the ice cream tub or recycled container. Using scissors and a soldering iron, carefully make holes at the bottom. These holes allow the clean water to flow back into the aquarium. Please be careful when using hot tools. Step 2. Filter media setup. Now place the sponge filter inside the container. Next, add the lava rocks or stone on the top. The sponge helps trap dirt and the lava rocks provide good bacteria for biological filtration. Step 3. Water pump connection. Connect the water hose to the aquarium water pump. Put the hose inside the container so water flows into the filter. Place the filter on top of the aquarium. Turn on the pump and check the water flow. As you can see, the water flows smoothly and works perfectly. This DIY top filter is cheap, effective, and eco-friendly. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.